private tour with Come and See Italy. We have been to see the beautiful village of Vinci where Leonardo da Vinci was born, and now we're in the Chianti region and we're tasting lots of beautiful wines in stunning scenery. We've had lots of wines so far. We've tried the Chianti Tuscan, the Chianti Super Tuscan, and my favourite is the Angelico.
You must come and see Italy with this fantastic tour company. You will try the best Chianti, the best bruschetta, fantastic cheeses, meats, and maybe chocolate. Salute.
Come and See Italy brought us the very best wine tasting of our lives, and we've had many, many wine tastings.
We enjoyed the food, we had cheeses, we had salame, we had prosciutto, and we had amazing olive oil on our bread. In Cinque
Hello!
Cinque Terre!
Cinque Terre.
So we've just travelled with Come and See Italy and it's been amazing. We visited all the towns and now we're in Monte Rosso, and it's amazing. We've had limoncello, we've had wine, and we feel very happy. And look around us. It's amazing.
Ciao!
Hi! We just had the most wonderful lunch with Tanya. She is the best guide. I've learned so much.
We are in the Cinque Terre. Ciao! It is so beautiful, but Vernazza is my favorite, and Tanya is my favorite tour guide.
Il mio preferito Angelico, grazie.
We learned the right way to hold the glass and appreciate the wine.
We're coming back again.
And maybe chocolate. Salute.